Our biggest snow in 4 years.
This is a very dangerous combination of heavy snow and extreme cold temperatures.
We're like right around here, so 12 to 18 inches. Look at how high the snow is.
Alright, what's up guys? So, as you've seen those clips, there's been a crazy snowstorm kind of along the country, but in like New York and like Boston, like around that area, it's a little worse. Like, we're projected like 12 to 18 inches of snow. So, basically, we're gonna go outside and just kind of check out the conditions and just film it out there.
Yeah, as you guys can see, so this is Fox News posting this. We're like right around here, so 12 to 18 inches. It's pretty crazy out. The snow is literally up to the window right now. That's crazy.
Guys, we're going out. Yeah.
All right, guys. As you can see, we're about shin deep in. Look at this. Get my leg. We probably got like 5 inches out here right now.
This is pretty crazy, guys.
As you can see, literally, at least 5 inches of snow out here, maybe 6. Brick.
Come on, bro.
Hit me.
Hey.
All right, come on.
Dude, it's so cold right now. So yeah, today is actually Sunday and there's a snow day tomorrow. School is canceled. Obviously, kind of. The snow is.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Whoa.
It's probably about 15 or 10 degrees out here.
I'm pretty sure Florida's even getting some snow right now.
Literally sounds like it's about to break. Let me see. Oh. Dude, should we go walk back there? Alright. Alright. So, we were back here in these woods. We're gonna explore a little bit.
Got these trees up here. Go.
Look at this, I can't even know I'm in the street right now. You can't even tell if it's the street or if it's the grass that you're on right now.
I would not recommend driving right now if you live in upstate New York or anywhere around here.
Community plows are not out here.
Yeah,
flying.
come on, Grease.
Dude, the roads, like, look right here, show right here. Literally, you can't tell what's road and grass.
Yeah, literally.
And we're not even at the worst part yet of the snowstorm.
Yeah, this is literally just the start. We're gonna film some more tomorrow too. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Right on the sidewalk.
Right on the sidewalk.
I cannot feel my fingers right now.
Me neither. I think we should go inside, get warm, pick up the camera later if anything happens, but maybe if the power goes out.
Yeah, power could go out. Yeah, we're gonna go inside for now. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, we just got back. Look at how high the snow is. It's actually so cold. What's up? Is he gonna be Clutterfunk? Nope. We got the triple X right here, boys. What the heck? Whoa! Yep. One more? Okay, count it. Oh. Whoa! Kiss the dummy. The hell? Hit a barefoot ollie real quick. Let me get that. Ready? Shove it. Nope. Ow. What you eating, boy?
Some chicken tenders.
Summit, best cook. Boys, go watch winter vlog number 4. Look at these guys.
Alright guys, let me show you how it's done. Oh, what the fuck? Before.
All right, attempt number 2.
Alright, come on.
Oh. Get the skunk.
I can shoot it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it got in the way.
You're the man of the year. Yep. Yep, there you go. All right. 1, 2. Okay. Okay.
1,000 pounds. Fine. No!
And we got the cow. Let's go. All right, last one. Let's get him. Yep. Yep. Get him. Get him. Yep. Yep. Perfect size, baby. We got the bonus, the turkey.
Oh yeah, come on.
A little locked in, man. Looks like
Come
right
on. Come on. Come on. Nah.
Holy.
Oh man.
It's 21 out of 25, baby.
Come on. Come on now. Yes. Delicioso.
All right, I guess we're going again. And we got a cow.
Bueno.
Get that one. Yep. Yep. All right. Wow.
It's some elite shooting.
It is. And we're on.
No.
And he shot the cow. All right, last run for the boy.
I got it.
Yep. Whoa.
Has he?
Has
What
he.
the hell?
That's how it.
No, I.
Get one for the video.
What? Right here.
Oh. I guess we're switching our stance, dude. All right, what's up, guys? We're trying to shovel off the snow for the trampoline. Maybe get some flips in. Tino left, so it's just us. But we're gonna try to clean this up and get some flips. We just made a little pile over here. You gonna jump it?
Yeah. I guess I am.
Oh! Send it.
That's mad fun, bro.
Said he's gonna send a front flip 180. What the heck? Bro did not spin.
That was hard off the trampoline. Send it. Hey, that was good.
Whoa!
Let's go.
That was good. Jacob, you got a front flip?
Yep. Boom. Hit.
Oh, shoot.
Side flip. Watch this side flip.
Side flip. Oh!
Hey. Ready?
Oh. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's vlog. I know it's kind of a short one, but if you like that one, make sure to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, that's it.